Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First, I want to thank you all for your presence in my video. And let me introduce myself. My name is Andi Krispertawan. I am from study program Computer Engineering, Group B. In my video, I would like to talk about development of smartphone. First, history of smartphone. The development of technology from year to year has shown tremendous progress. As evidence for a small example, gadgets they are familiar to our ears, namely cellular phone or smartphone, because in this day, and it's almost all circle the social status of children, parent, businessmen, trader, and other cannot be separated from the technology. The growing demand for sophisticated, portable device has made major advance in processing, memory, display, and operating system. The beaten path of mobile phone in recent years. This is the history of smartphone year to year. And place one is Simon. The first smartphone to be made was the Simon, which was designed by IBM in 1992. The Simon smartphone also has a calendar, phone book, word clock, notepad, email, fax sending and receive, and games. Simon is the first generation smartphone that doesn't have button, but using the touchscreen concept. Although now, Simon is low-level product, but its features at that time were very sophisticated. And place 2 is Nokia 9000. Then the Nokia communicator with its Nokia first smartphone, starting with the Nokia 9000 in 1996. This smartphone was the result of the successful and expensive merging of Hewlett-Packard PDM model with the Nokia phone that were selling at the time. And 3 is the RIM and BlackBerry. In 2002, RIM issued the first BlackBerry, which was the first smartphone with the wireless email usage and reached 8 million users in 2007. 75% of users in South America. And fourth is the Android. Android is not a smartphone, but OS or operating system. This OS for smartphone released in 2008. Android supported by Google, together with other leading hardware and software entrepreneurs such as Intel, HTC, ARM, Motorola, and eBay. Full feature phone, full touchscreen, QWERTY keyboard and ball port for navigating web pages. And the last is the iPhone. The first generation iPhone was released after various rumors and speculation. This mobile supports GPRS and ETH for data transfer. Interestingly, this phone is the first mobile phone with a touchscreen display without a keyboard and mouse, which was initiated by Apple CEO Steve Jobs. And until now, this iPhone has become a successful product. An example of the newest product this year is the iPhone 12. And next, let's talk about the importance of smartphones for humans now. Smartphones are one of the needs of today's modern society that will support their activities. This need is so paid attention to by electronic companies that many various smartphone brands have emerged. The advancement of information technology and the standard of living of the community resulted in increasing public demand for the quality of service and product use. The need of smartphone has become a lifestyle requirement that is considered important for some modern societies today. This phenomenon supports the emergence of many smartphones that offer their product to meet people's need for technology and terms of communication. Nowadays, everyone needs a smartphone, especially now that there is a COVID-19 pandemic that never ends. So everyone has to keep each other distance. And that's where smartphones play an important role. We can still communicate with each other via online, not just to interact with each other in two-way via smartphone. Nowadays, it's completely online, selling online, learning online, and online game and many more use. How important is the smartphone in this era? And next is the companies that make smartphone. There are several competing smartphone brands including Samsung, Apple, Nokia, BlackBerry, Sony, LG, Lenovo, and others. This kind of smartphone market is intense competition among business competitors in the telecommunication sector. The many type and brand of smartphone offered in the market make consumers have many choice, and this really encourages producers to sell their product with good quality and competitive price. Smartphone manufacturers who see a phenomenon that increasing number of smartphone users in Indonesia make them compete to meet the need of the share of their consumer and also continue to try to dominate the existing market share. This smartphone product in Indonesia is controlled by several major smartphone manufacturers such as Samsung, Oppo, Vivo, Xiaomi, Huawei, Realme. Factors that become reason for consumers to make purchase continue to be improved, such as feature, price, brand image, promotion, warranties, product quality, and other. Smartphone manufacturers continue to make quality improvement and make product innovation, as well continue to carry out their product mix. And let's talk about the impact of using the smartphone. First, in the positive impact. One, make a communication easier. It is undeniable that communication today is greatly facilitated by the presence of smartphone. This also applies in the world of education, where communication between teacher, student, parent can run more easily and can be done in mass group available in communication application such as WhatsApp, Line, or Telegram. And we can also do video conference. And two, entertainment media. Smartphones have many entertainment features, and this can be a medium to help someone to take a break from their saturation. Many entertainment applications can be a means of learning as well playing for them. And three, increase knowledge. Smartphones are equipped with various applications, including educational applications. In addition, with the help of search engines such as Google, one can access various useful information. And four, availability of more sophisticated technology. Smartphones provide a large selection of useful applications that can help the learning process, collect the information needed. In addition, with smartphone we can store any data at hand. And now is the negative impact. And what can cause addiction? Smartphone can make students addicted and cannot get away from their smartphone, starting from waking up to going back to sleep. Smartphone as the first thing they look for, and this creates a new trend, nomophobia, which is the fears that arise because someone has to part with a smartphone. And two, lack of social interaction in real life. With the advent of many social media, it makes students update what is happening to their life through their smartphone. This causes less social interaction in their lives. They are more engaged in interacting through social media, which often result disrupting relationship with friends. family, and also disrupting academic achievement because they focus on playing with their smartphone. And 3. Make less empathy with the environment. For people who are addicted to smartphone, they tend to be more indifferent and less empathic to what is going on with their surrounding because they are already absorbed in their smartphone. And last is risk of misuse of smartphone. It is so easy to access the internet via smartphone. If it is a misuse to access a site that should not be accessed by everyone. For example, it is used to access pornography, and many cases have committed and then acts due to pornography addiction, which can be accessed easily via smartphone. And enough for me. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.